AJ here, and welcome to another edition of my vlog. And for today, we're going to Santa Rosa, Laguna for attending the family day of Concentrix. So we're going to Enchanted Kingdom. Yeah, that's right. We're going to a theme park. So this is something that happens every year. Our employer is blocking the entire Enchanted Kingdom, only exclusive for the employees and their families. And also, not only that, there's also an ocean park, but me and my wife opted to go to Enchanted Kingdom because I think it's more fun to go to the theme park, so you get to feel that Disneyland vibe kind of feel here in the Philippines, only on a smaller scale, but it's still gonna be fun, definitely. So for today, not only that we're doing the vlog going to Enchanted Kingdom, but at the same time, what will be the cakes of the day that I'll be wearing for today's vlog. And definitely, going to a theme park is going to be very tiring, so we're wearing my Ultraboost 2019. So we'll do a quick unboxing here before we leave the house. So here is the OG colorway of the Ultraboost. So this is the first release of the Ultraboost at, I think, around November of last year. So this is the 2019 Ultraboost. So if you notice that the boost area here is 20% more than the regular Ultraboost, or I would say the latest, the Ultraboost 4.0. So definitely it's a good shoe to wear on a long day. It's going to be a long walk for the entire theme park, so definitely it will give more comfort. So that's it for me. We're heading to Santa Rosa now, and thank you so much. I'll catch you guys later. Okay, we have arrived here in Enchanted Kingdom. So I'm with my wife. Mami, kaway naman dyan. Hi! Ayan. So we're about to enter, and we'll tour around first, and then we'll take some shots later inside. So let's go! so much, Concentrix, for this wonderful family day. We really truly appreciate this. For those who's planning to apply, this is a very good organization, so I recommend that you guys apply here in this company. And again, thank you so much. Please do hit the subscribe button and notification bell for any new videos that I'll be uploading. Please do comment on the section below as well for any feedback. Mamaya baka abutan namin yung fireworks. So if there's a fireworks here, please stand by.